Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Benefit Payment Acquirer in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module for Odoo allows businesses to integrate Bahrain's benefit payment gateway directly into their Odoo system. This integration enables secure and seamless processing of online transactions using Benefit's trusted infrastructure. With this real-time payment confirmation, automated order updates, and support for local banks in Bahrain, this app provides a reliable and efficient checkout experience tailored for businesses operating in the region. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Here, under configuration, we will go into the payment providers. Here you will find a payment provider for Benefit. Open that and enable the state for the payment provider. After this, under credentials, you need to add the Benefit secret key. So here you have seen that I have added Benefit secret key in here. Now after this, you can see that in payment provider it is enabled and published. Now we will go into the home page. We will go into the shop and we are going to add some products into the cart. Here you can see the currency is in BD. Now we are going to open this product and we are going to add this product into our cart. Click on view cart and you will be redirected to the cart, or either you can just click on cart button and here you can see the products into the cart. After this, just click on checkout. Now here you can see the delivery method is standard delivery. So just click on confirm. Here you can see the payment method is Benefit. So we are just going to click on pay now. Now you will be redirected to this Benefit payment gateway. Here you can see the amount, card type, and here you need to add your card number. So here I have added the card number. For expiration date, I have added my month and year for expiry date. Here enter the card holder name, so I will be adding BrowseInfo. And for the PIN, you need to add the PIN. You can see here is one numlock. So here you can just use this and enter your PIN and just click on pay now. Here you can see that your transaction is processing and here you can see your payment has been successfully processed. And here you can see your sale order number 38 has been created and you can see the payment information is Benefit and the total amount is this. Now we will go into the configuration and we will go into the payment transactions. Here you can see the transaction we just created. Open that and here you can see the reference, payment, amount, payment method, and the payment provider and every little detail regarding your transaction. Here you can see that it is in confirmed state. You can view the sale order through that smart button. Here you can see the sale order and under order lines you can see the product and delivery, and in the chatter you can see the history of your transaction in here. Now we will again go to the home page. We are going to add some product into the cart again. So I will be adding customizable desk. Click on add to cart. Click on proceed to checkout. And here you can see the product into your cart. Now click on checkout. And you can see the delivery method is standard delivery. So just click on confirm. And here the payment method is again Benefit. So we will be clicking on pay now. And here now when the Benefit payment gateway appears, you can see the amount and card type. Now I am going to purposely enter the card number wrong. Under that you can see the expiry date I am entering. I am entering the year. I am entering the card holder name. And I will be adding a PIN. So here you can see you will get a number, so add your PIN and click on pay now. Now here you can see your payment didn't go through. Under that you can see the amount, payment ID, transaction ID, track ID, and the result is not captured. If there is any issue regarding entering your card details or anything else, your payment won't go through. So under that you will find two buttons. One is for retry payment. If you click on that, you need to enter your right card details and do the payment. And if you click on cancel, your payment will be cancelled. So I'm going to click on cancel right now. So you can see my payment is being cancelled. And here you can see your payment has been cancelled, and here you can see the order number also. So again, I will go into the configuration, payment transaction, and here I can see the transaction which just got cancelled due to some error will be shown into the payment transaction. Here you can see every little detail of your transaction in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.